Hey everyone, welcome back. Earning money with Instagram requires a combination of creativity, consistency, and dedication. Here are some proven strategies to help you monetize your Instagram presence. Build a strong profile, optimize your Instagram bio, choose a recognizable profile picture, and curate your highlights to make a strong first impression on visitors. Create compelling content, post high-quality, visually appealing content that resonates with your target audience. Use engaging captions to tell stories and encourage interaction. Grow your follower base, focus on organic growth by using relevant hashtags, engaging with your followers, and collaborating with other creators in your niche. Monetization avenues: explore various monetization methods such as sponsored posts, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, selling digital products, or offering services. Instagram shopping: set up an Instagram shop to showcase and sell physical products directly to your followers. Instagram stories and IGTV: utilize Instagram stories and IGTV to share behind-the-scenes content, product demonstrations, and longer-form videos to connect with your audience. Understand your analytics: use Instagram Insights to track your performance, understand your audience demographics, and optimize your content strategy. Influencer marketing: collaborate with brands and businesses as an influencer to promote products and services to your engaged audience. Engage and interact: respond to comments, direct messages, and engage with your followers to build a loyal community around your content. Be authentic: develop a unique brand identity and be authentic in your interactions, which helps build trust with your audience and potential partners. Affiliate marketing: partner with affiliate programs to promote products or services and earn commissions for every sale generated through your referral link. Sponsored content: work with brands to create sponsored posts that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Remember, building a successful Instagram presence and monetizing it takes time and effort. Stay consistent, experiment with different strategies, and focus on delivering value to your audience. With persistence and creativity, you can turn your Instagram passion into a profitable venture. Subscribe now for more social media tips and tricks. Watch our previous videos to boost your online presence.